Yo, what is up, guys? I got a new video for you guys. We're gonna be doing a little bspwm thing. Um, I've already installed a bunch of stuff on here. Uh, yeah. Oh, I should give a reason why. I had Alpine on here with like DWM, and I got like I don't know. It was like really badass, but there was a lot of stuff that I was prevented from using and doing. So I was just like, like I appreciate the security angle of it, and DWM is pretty cool. I'm warming up to DWM a bit more than I was in the past. But you know what? I just need something mad light. Not that DWM isn't mad light. That's like one of the lightest, but I need something mad light and cause this laptop I'm using right here, it ain't so good. It's a older ThinkPad. The processor is only like 1.8 gigahertz or whatever. Like it's like kind of janky. But we're gonna get some stuff going, right? So this is a TTY, if you don't know. If you press Control Alt like F1, F2, F3, or whatever, you'll end up in this screen. If you're on Linux, obviously. And you can log in here, and then it'll give you like a little terminal, right? So let's see. The typing this go around is gonna be crazy. Alright, so right now I got a little thing, right? I can do a little ls, we can look at our stuff, ls minus a. So I've downloaded bspwm. You also need, actually, let's see, history. Should be able to kind of get a, yeah, you can kind of see what I've done here. So I wonder if there's, can I make this bigger? No. So you got like, I did LX appearance, fa, variety, nomax, popsicle, GIMP, X2 tool, ACPI. So the ones that you're gonna need, kind of for like what I'm gonna about to walk through and do, you're gonna need LX appearance. You're gonna need at minimum fa to set your wallpaper, right? You're gonna need X2 tool for some of the scripting stuff later on. I don't know if I'm going to show that in the video or not, but you should have this anyway. It's very useful. It emulates your mouse clicks and keyboard presses, right? Then you have ACPI. ACPI, I'm basically just using to look at like the state of my battery, like how much charge I have. It tells you like the temp of your CPU and like all sorts of stuff. And then like the two big ones, it's going to be BSPWM and SXHKD. They kind of go together. SXHKD is a simple Xorg hotkey daemon. Basically, that's BSPWM doesn't have its own keybinds. It calls on SXHKD in order to have the keybinds. So it's pretty important. And then like D menu, Rofi. We're gonna be using cool retro term on this setup because dude, I just miss it. It's just so good. But we gotta get some like stuff kind of done to this to get this up and going because right now all I have installed basically and set up is I have LightDM as my display manager. Normally in this situation, I wouldn't use a display manager, but I actually do plan on putting DWM back on here just so I can, play with it a little bit better on an Arch-based system. So yeah, instead of Alpine, nothing against Alpine. Alpine's fire, but we're doing what we're doing. And then I got just kind of some of like your normal filler apps, like stuff that you just kind of need, like NeoVim and Ranger and NCDU, which helps you look at like what's taking up the most space on your partitions and drives and stuff. And then I have like Bash Top, so I can look at my system, where my system's at, with everything. Yeah, and then like, so I'm gonna be using the XFCE poll kit, which is what a poll kit is it's kind of like, whenever you get asked for your password and there's a little prompt that comes up where you type in it, that's what your poll kit is. It's like your user authentication bullshit, right? Obviously, we got Qt browser, MPV, you know what I mean, for the videos and the music, and then Flame Shot for the screenshots. It's like all the usual suspects I like to use. Okay, so let's see if I can remember how to do this right. So first of all, we need to cd into our config folder, right? Cd to config, and now we go ls. all I have is yay and some other stuff, user drives, right? So we're going to make two folders. I'm going to mkdir, and then we're going to go bspwm, and then shhkd. Make those two folders. Now, if we ls, I got my folders, right? So there's sample configurations. We're going to take a little trip real quick, just so I can kind of see. So if you go to etc, right, and then it's like, what is it, doc or share? I think it's share. Is it etc or is it user usr user share? Doc, right? Yeah, doc, and then bspwm, and then so in here there's an examples folder, and if you see, you got these two files right here. These are the configs that you're going to need to copy over, right? So yeah, let me exit out of here, because now I basically, let's make sure user share doc bspwm examples. Okay, we got it. I could exit out of here, I believe. Or wait, hold on. Oh, I already did exit out. Okay, so now that I can see the path at the top, which this is a little convenient, cp slash usr slash share slash doc slash bspwm slash examples slash bspwmrc, and then we're going to send that to slash config slash bspwm. And boom, now we have that copied over. Now we're going to have to copy over with the same path. You can just press up, and we're going to change the folder, the destination folders, to shhkd. And then this, we're going to change to sxhkdrc, right? And we'll copy that one into the folder, right? So now we got our two configs. Now I can kind of go in and edit how I want stuff to be, right? So nvim, we're just gonna do like the full path dot config slash bspwm slash bspwmrc, right? We're gonna look in here. We got to get some stuff started up here. So yeah, let me pause for a second, and I'll cut back, and when I figure out the user agent thing I got to put in here. So hold on. All right, we got it pulled up here. Move this laptop back up here. All right, so right under this line, wait, let me make sure that my thing is recording, right? You guys can see when I move around, right? Yep. Okay. So right under this line where it says pgrep minus x blah blah, we're gonna start putting in like what we kind of want to start up. So first thing, let me switch back to this so I can get this right. We're gonna do execute wait, I wonder if I even need to do best by running user bin execute command. Yep, okay, good. So then we're gonna do slash usr slash lib slash xfce dash polkit slash xfce polkit again, right? Yeah, xfce dash polkit. And then we'll do end ampersand. We're gonna need variety to open. Ampersand. We're gonna do pycom minus b, and I will edit this later if I need to do any kill all sort of situation or whatever. What else are we gonna need to start up? We're gonna need I think that's basically it for now. All right, but we're gonna change some of this. I want my border width to be 1. And then window gap 12 is fine. We're gonna do this to do a even split. All right, all this other stuff. This looks good. Okay, we're gonna save this. Shift : WQ, right and quit. We'll clear, and now we're gonna do shkd xxhkd. So nvim .config /sshkd /rc. There you go. Now in here, we're gonna fix some of these spaces and stuff. We're gonna do some cool things here. So first of all, I'm gonna be using cool retro term right here, because we're gonna get some like real cool kind of stuff. We're gonna go at space, right? And then down here, we're gonna keep this, and then we're gonna change this to alt plus space. And then I gotta think, what other kind of stuff do we need in here? All right, we're gonna give us a little space. Oop. Wait, what? All right, I think oh, I see what happened. Hold on. I know how to fix this. Right here, we're gonna enter, and then we're gonna hit tab. Fixed. Look at that, like a boss. Okay. Backspace, give it a little bit of more room here. Okay, so we need super plus W, cute browser. Right, and then what else? Super plus B, which is gonna be cool dash retro dash term minus E bash top. So that'll open up bash top for me. Very nice. We're gonna need super plus N, or oop. Oh, why do I keep hitting space? And then tab, and we're gonna do thunar, and then super plus R tab. We're gonna do cool dash retro dash term minus E ranger. And that should be good for now. I am going to be switching. I guess I should just do this right now. Okay, right here we're going to do rofi minus show drun. Right? Pretty sure that's how that works. Am I remembering correctly? Yes, it is how it works. So right there, I should be good to go to get my things going. All right. We're going to go like this, right and quit. And then just for one little thing, just for redundancy, CD to bspwm. We're going to ls. It says that it's green, but I'm going to do it anyway just to know that I did it. We're going to give this executable privileges, bspwmrc. And then we ls again. We got it, right? So from here, I can exit the TTY. We can go like this. One of these, F1 or F2. One of these things, right? All right, I guess I'm gonna log in and reboot this way. Oh. Come on, dude. We gonna hard reset with the power button? I think we're gonna do it because I'm a badass like that. And I'll say this too, as a little like moment aside, like don't be afraid of the TTY, bro. That thing has gotten me out of so many messes. Holy cow. You don't even know. If you ever have an issue with NVIDIA drivers, make sure you know how to get into that TTY, because that's how you're going to fix it. All right. Let's see. I should be set up pretty good. Okay, I'm gonna have to do some little magic with a render. I just got like the startup. Oh, everything kind of works. Okay, do I have a render on here? Okay, we're gonna have to do a little. I will wait to configure this until you guys can see what's going on. Oh, I love this. Okay, a render. I just gotta install a render so I can mirror my video output to OBS so you guys can like actually see what's going on. Alt Shift Q or nope, I just found a keybind I forgot. Okay. So Alt space a render. Bada bing, bada boom. Oh, this is the wrong mouse. We gotta put this mouse like this. And then go like that. There we go. So okay, so this is a render. There's a few things with it that you should know about. In here, you can change your resolution, you can change your orientation. Yeah, this is pretty good. I have, as you can see, it looks like there's one on top of the other. That's basically, you just got to shift it over on top of it, and then that's how you mirror. But then you can, if you wanted to do this. What I'm going to do is I'm going to save as, and this has like a dot screen layout. So if you go monitor, monitor dot sh, right? This is just a script, bro. So like, hold on, what is it? Alt Shift Q? Is that what's going on? Alt Shift Q? Or do I have to, I gotta change the keystroke for that. But basically it's just a script, bro. So what do we got? This is a cool retro term. This is the, I love this terminal. Right now it's not configured very well, but this is the default configuration. It's kind of ugly. So we're gonna right click, we're gonna do some settings on here. Okay, we're gonna turn the brightness all the ways up. Oh wait, first of all, we gotta click futuristic. Right there, we're gonna turn the brightness up. Contrast up. Margin all the ways up. Opacity all the ways down. Right, and then over here, I'm gonna go, I like Hermit, dude, because I think it looks cool. You can do whatever you want there. Scaling, mess with. I like blinking cursor. Here, we're just gonna go white. Yep, get that little black and white thing. And this is like the effects. I turn basically all this stuff off except for the burn-in. I pull up the burn-in a little bit and the bloom. Right, terminal, let me just check. Wait, can I just do source code pro in here or what? Oh, look at that. System, source code pro. Thank you very much. All right, and then that's basically good to go right there. So if I just go exit like this, it'll save the config. So now when I open it, I have this really cool little thing. And like, if I do, I'll probably need a system update, so I might as well do it now. And you can kind of get like the visual effect that you're looking for out of that. I realize one thing though. I got to settings. We got to go take the chrome off it. I just want it black and white. And okay, so let's switch to another desktop. Let's edit this config real quick because I forgot to change KD. I forgot to change the keystroke to close Windows, which is like the most important keystroke. Okay. Right here, close and kill. I'm gonna just change this to a Q. Q. And then escape, colon, right quit, boom. And now, okay, so Windows button and escape will reload SXHKD. So I have to reload it first, and now I should be able to, yep, just close a window like that. I can move over to here, close this window, right? Oops, I think I messed something up. Let's see. Just gotta let this update, tell you the truth. Oh, it already updated. Look at that. Okay, so now we're like a blank screen sort of situation. Yeah, I'm gonna like try to grab something just to have a you know, some sort of wallpaper. Nature, dark, lake. We've been going for the dark lakes lately. This like kind of based, you know what I mean? Um, let's get this one real quick, just so I have something to look at. Oh, let's see. Ooh, there we go. Ooh, this one is the one I want right here. G. Make sure I got the link. No, that's a PDF. Why do they do this to me, dude? Let's click in. Oh, I gotta wait. Yes, download full resolution image, please. Okay, we're gonna do pictures. And we'll just save it to pictures because I don't have any other folders set up. Right, and that's good to go right there. So now I have Rofi set up. So I can just pop right into here and we'll do like you know, variety. We'll just set a singular image just so we can do it. Add images. Let's see, pictures. There you go. And now I have this. We have a thing now. So I should be able to. Okay, so as you can tell, there's no transparency. Like, what the heck, bud? You know? We need a little bit of that. So, yay, minus S, PyCom. And get the transparency going. So, we're gonna see. Okay, so, what is it? We're gonna log out. I already have it in the config, so when I restart, oh shoot, I'm gonna have to, oh no, it stayed, sweet. Fucking good to go, dude, good to go. What do you know about it? Okay, let's see. Transparency, we have transparency, very nice. Very nice. I just noticed there's writing in the corner of this picture and I hate it. Okay, so, oh shoot, you guys can't see it because A-render messed up. Okay. So if you have a thing like me where you have to like set your thing, let me show you a little trick real quick. Okay, so if I go here, wait, what? Yo, that messed me up. I thought it has my config in here, but I turned it to monochrome, so I can't tell. All right. What was I gonna say? Okay, screen layout. You see this thing right here? Home, thanks. Watch this. We're gonna open up another one. We're gonna do nvim dot config slash bspwm slash bspwmrc, right? And then in here, go insert mode. We're gonna do execute slash home slash, actually I should just do it like this, like that, and dot screen layout. I gotta turn the bloom down on this. This is a little hardcore for me. Hold on, I gotta fix this like right away. This is too much. Okay. We'll take it back down to like there. We'll exit just to make sure it's saved. So when I this animation speed is really bad. Okay. So we're back to here. It'll fix itself when I restart. So screen layout slash monitor dot sh, right? And then what that'll do is every time you restart, it'll just put back what the settings was for, you know, your resolution or your layout or whatever you like, right? So like, because if you look at it right here, it's just an X render, literally just an X render thing. Okay. Let's see. Okay, now the terminal should look better. Yeah, yeah. You see the burn-in? That's what I really like. I like the little trailing thing that it does. It's very cool. Okay, so now to kind of fix PyCom, because PyCom, it's taking absolutely forever. Okay. We're gonna look this up real quick. default pycom.com. Come in here, we're gonna look example. Oh wait, no, I should go to the ArchWiki link. If you ever have a chance to go to the ArchWiki link, just go to the ArchWiki link. You're gonna have the best information there. See, look right here. I didn't even have to look that far. The default configuration is available at etc xdc pycom.conf. So, what we're gonna do is I'm gonna cd into my config folder, config, and then we're gonna mkdir, make a directory for pycom, and then I'm gonna cp copy, what is it gonna be, /etc/xdg/pycom.conf, right? And then we're gonna put it into the folder we just created. So /config/pycom, and right there. So if I cd into pycom ls, we have a little thing right there. So nvim pycom.conf, and we're gonna change a couple things here. So really, it's this fading thing right here. I'm gonna change it to 8. Goes a little faster here, and then fade out, we're gonna change to 8. And then down in this transparency, these ones, I'm gonna change to 1. 1. So then, the only things that'll be transparent are things that I set myself within the program. Right, like that. Like that. We're gonna do one of these jammies. We're gonna log out, and we're gonna log back in and see what happens. Okay, everything looks correct. My screen is sharing correctly. We have, it takes a second for a cool retro term to open up, so let's see. Let's look at the profile. I feel like it needs to be faster, to tell you the truth. CD. We're just gonna go back in here. We're gonna just make it a little faster. It's just not fast enough for me. Okay. Right here. What are we gonna do? Like 1? I think 1. Maybe? Yeah, that sounds about good. We'll go 1. And then 1. Alright. Now let's just go for another go real quick. Alright, let me go. We'll open up a couple windows. I'll be able to tell once I switch desktops if it's fast enough. Oh yeah, that's perfect. Perfect right there. We just had to go a little faster, you know? Okay, so now we got that set up. I just need to handle a couple other things. So we're gonna need Dunst, right? Yep, Dunst. All right. And then, so in the config, we're going to have to make sure. Well, do we really need Dunst to start up? I don't think we do. We should just do it for good measure anyway. So we're going to go into the bspwm config /bspwm/bspwmrc. And we're going to add Dunst in here. We'll do a little I. We'll give a little space in here. Dunst. End. Right? And then, like, I should put in this too. Let's see. We're gonna have another script in here, but I don't have it on the computer yet. And I have changed to where I keep my scripts. I keep them in the configs. But the name of it's going to be welcome sh, and that's going to be what does my startup sound and gives me my little welcome message and whatever. Okay, so that we got the dunst, we got this, we got that. Okay. Now, I'm going bare minimum. I don't need a ton of stuff in here for scripts wise, so I'm only going to write one. And basically it's going to be this. Hold on. Let's see cd /.config make directory script cd script, and then we're going to touch it's going to be time.sh, right? So now we have that. We're going to just give it chmod plus. Actually, you know what? Since I'm here, let's switch to another desktop, right? We're going to do something different. We're going to go into the bash RC, and I'm going to set up a really useful alias real quick. So right here, first of all, I'm going to change this where this is kind of like the default. We're going to add -a into there just so it lists all the other, whatchamacallit, lists all the hidden folders. I'm going to change my PS1 value to basically just this. Oh, shoot. Come on. Oh, wait, I need to get rid of this. All right, that should be good right there. And then, so the alias I'm going to write, give it a little space, is going to be this. Alias, what is it going to be? Script perms, right? And you're going to see what we're going to do here. This is going to be very clever and smart of me to do because it's going to save me time. So what does script perms equal? Oh, wait, I have this misspelled. Don't misspell stuff. Script perms is going to be chmod plus x, and then we're going to point it to the scripts folder. So .config /scripts / like that, and then we're going to put the asterisk, right? And what the asterisk means, just apply this user permission to everything in the folder, right? So then now, every time I write a script and I put that script in the folder, I can just run the alias script perms, and it'll automatically give the script the permissions. I don't got to type all this sort of craziness and, you know, all that. So that's very, very useful alias right there. So script perms. Wait, script perms? Oh, it's because I have to restart. Sorry. Script perms. All right, there you go. Now I got my little script permerino. I realized that I did mess up something, that I'm missing a character for my prompt. We're gonna go right here, and we're gonna just put that. All right, so now let's see. Boom, got my little arrow. Okay, so now that I have the script perms for the date thing, let's actually write the script. It's not even really writing a script, bro. It's like some mad simple stuff. All right, config / what is it? Scripts. Oop. / time.sh. Right, so we're gonna start it off with the the header, or I don't know what the hell you would call it, the crunch bang, right? So crunch bang / bin / sh, right? Shell script. Okay, so here we're gonna do notify -send -t 8000, which means like 8 seconds or 8,000 milliseconds or whatever, right? And then -i, and then the icon, I'm just gonna put a dummy path, which my typical dummy path is 6 zeros and PNG, right? So what this does is, it's like when notify send goes off, it's looking for like an icon, you know what I mean? Like, let's say you wanted an icon there, you can make a, like a, I believe a SVG or a PNG or whatever, and you can have it pop up with your little icon if you want. I don't necessarily need that. So what we're gonna do here is, in quotes, It's going to be quote mark, and then we're going to use this money sign to just say, hey, this is going to be a command that I want the output to be within the quotes, right? So then in parentheses, we're going to do date, and then I believe, well, here, let's do a little bit of let's do a little experimentation, right? So this is the date command, right? It just tells you the date. Very cool, right? So what else does date do? So date %d, right? Or date %d. Or wait, no, it's plus. I forgot. You have to add the plus in there, right? Like that. So it gives you the day, which is the 19th, right? So if I do capital D, right, it gives you the date, right? So we're going to have date plus %d, and then what is it? It's going to be a pipe, but it's not actually going to pipe. It's just going to be a separator, and then I forget what the other one is. What is it? Date plus %, is it T or capital T? Yep. So capital T. And this should work, I think. Date plus we'll test it out, and if I'm wrong, I'll have to do something else. That, and then we close it, and then we put another quote like that, and that's the script, right? Super complex script we got going on here. We're just gonna get the date and time real quick. So let's exit out, let's save and quit, and then we're gonna test it out. So cd .config/scripts, and then ls, we should have time. Oh yeah, I forgot, I have it monochrome, so I can't tell that it's the user privileges, but I did the script perms alias, so I'm pretty sure I'm good to go. So if we do dot like this, time.sh, and yep, we got, oh, it's only showing the time. All right, so we're gonna have to do this. Where's the nvim? Right here. Time. So what am I doing wrong here? Maybe. I think I know. Okay, so we go like this. I'm gonna put a percentage here, and I'm gonna put a percent, or like a open parentheses and a closed parentheses like that. And then here, I'm gonna add this $sign in front of it, right? So hold on. Let's see. Escape, we'll write and quit, or we'll just write it. And then if I go over here, oop, let's see. We'll cd config, cd script, ls, right? Okay, so here we go. /time.sh. Yep, and there you go. It printed it out. I don't have dunst like fully configured, so it's gonna look ugly. But yeah, that's how I get that. So then from here, we're gonna cd into we're gonna cd up a directory, right, which is double dot. So now I'm in config, and I'm gonna cd to bspwm. Oh no, to sshkd, right? And then in here, we're going to go back into the config for the keystrokes. So nvim sshkdrc. And then in here, we're just going to add, I'm going to add a little keybind. So we're going to do alt plus D. And then from here, we're just going to have the path to the script. So .config /script/time.sh. We'll get out of here, write and quit, close all this, super escape to reload sxhkd, and then I should be able to, there you go, Alt D, I get my little time notification, right? And there's like, obviously like a bunch of other stuff, like anything, this is where I'm going to get a little nerdy here. anything where you can just get one like a little bit of output from a command, like okay, ACPI minus B, right? That tells me what my battery is, right? My battery is full. So like I probably want that in a script too. So like um yeah, so I mean, why not? Let's just do it. So uh cd slash config slash scripts, right? We're gonna touch, what are we gonna call it? Battery.sh, right? And then nvim battery.sh. And then from here, crunch bang. Oh, I probably got to go into insert mode, right? Am I right, boys? All right. So insert mode, and then we're gonna go crunch bang bin slash sh. We're gonna get here. We're gonna go notify dash send minus t. Let's see, battery. We probably don't need it up for that long, so we'll do 6,000 milliseconds, not 60,000. And then minus I dummy path. And then we're gonna go in here. Remember, $ lets it know that it's the output of a command that's going to be posted in there, right? So we do that, and then inside parentheses, we do the command, which is going to be ACPI minus B for the battery, and then quote skis, right? And then out of here, we can write quit, and then we can do script perms, and right there, I should be good to go. So then I can cd up direct, up a level. Then we're gonna cd into shakdrc. Not cd, we're gonna, oh my goodness, yeah, we're gonna cd into there, and then we're gonna nvim the config right there. And then in here I can add another one. So alt B, right? That seems like a good one to do. Alt plus B, and then yeah, we're gonna tab in, and then we're gonna give it the path. Okay, we do that. Escape, right, and quit, and then I can reload the config, right? Reload the config. Now alt B. It should give me. Oh, I might have something typed wrong. Hold on. Battery ACPI minus B. All right, let's get out of here. Get out of there. CD up. No, we're troubleshooting a little bit. Okay, nvim battery dot sh. What did I do wrong? Oh, I see, because I spelled notify wrong. Okay, yeah, that's a thing. Notify send. All right, now let's try it. Alt B. And there you go. Now I have my battery percentage up on there. Very nice. Now let's get into like a little bit of configuration of Rofi real quick. Just so, I'm just gonna dial it in, Default. Oh, hey bud. What is, no, it's config.rasy. Okay. Oh, I might as well just start up a, okay, so we're gonna cd back into the config folder. I should just do an alias for this, dude, really. Okay, what is it gonna be? Rofi? Okay, cd to config, mkdir, we're gonna make directory for Rofi. We're gonna cd into Rofi, and then we're gonna touch, and we're gonna make a config.rasy, right? And then we're gonna nvim config.rasy. It's naked. So a cool thing that I'm gonna do here, we'll show off a little knowledge real quick. I'm gonna get a new tab open. So Rofi theme generator. They got this thing. Where is it? Is it this thing? Theme generator right here, comfox.github or whatever. So right here, you can kind of let me send this to 3. Get this full screen. You can kind of just pick and choose like what you want your stuff to look like, and this is kind of like how I start the basis of mine. Yeah, pretty simple. We're just gonna change some stuff around just so it's like, it looks good. And this gives you a good, what is it? Highlighted foreground, we're gonna do white. Wait, no, highlighted foreground, we're gonna do black. And then highlighted, white for the selection part. Alternative background, black. Foreground, white. Getting that real monochrome stuff going on here. Background, okay. Foreground. Highlight background. Just getting the black and white theme going. Okay. All right, everything should look pretty good right there. All right. Fully monochrome, my boys. Okay. Now, this whole thing, I'm just gonna copy and paste into that file, and then we're gonna do some things here to make it different. Wait, this should be generated, right? Generate. Generate looks pretty good. All right, let's do it. Copy, and then we'll go to 3. Control Shift B for the Pastorino. And now, okay, so here, what is it? Let's, first let's test it. I'm gonna write, and then we're gonna bring it up. Okay, so yeah, we do have a couple of issues. This is normal things here. Yeah, so what we gotta do is, I'm trying to think. Active. Hold on. I'm gonna config this and then I'll come right back. All right. After painstakingly sitting here and editing this, I came up with the kind of Rofi I want. It looks like this. I can type things, and yeah, I get the stuff, right? So what I did is in here, I changed all this stuff to black and white. I went through, there's going to be a bunch of these things like active selective background and stuff. I just changed it black and white. The way that I get the way that this looks with the list view sort of situation is, you come in here, fixed height, false, right? And then, require input true, dynamic true, and scroll bar false. So yeah, so basically what happens is when I start to type, I get, I can go like this, whatever. It expands out instead of having the full list, right? Like that's pretty nice, right? I think it's pretty nice. Yeah, so that's what I did there. And then down here on input bar, so children, right here, you can have a bunch of different sections to the way that this shows up. However, I only want the entry. So yeah, entry right here. And then technically you could do like right here. I'll actually do this right now. Placeholder. and then in quotes, I'm going to just do a space like that, and then end it with the semicolon. And so if I write this, right, what it should have done is it took the type to filter out of here, right? Very nice, very nice. And yeah, so now it's onward to Dunst. I just gotta hit a little Dunsky real quick. So nvim slash dot config slash Dunst. Oh wait, do I even have a Dunst thing yet? Okay, cd dot config. Let's check. Oop, ls. Yeah, apparently I don't have it. So mkdir Dunst cd Dunst. Oop, cd Dunst. Touch Dunst RC, right? And then so from here we can go look up a default Dunst situation. Dunst RC default. Let's see. Oh, I spelled it wrong. Dunst, right, like that. All right. Right here, it should tell me the Arch Wiki always knows. Right here, an example configuration is included. So we're just gonna copy that over real quick. So cp slash etc slash dunst rc. We're sending that to .config slash dunst like that, and boom, now we have it. Right? We get out of here. We'll go over here. So nvim. Oh, we're in scripts. What am I doing? Yeah, let's go over here. cd into the folder that I need to go to, which is the Dunst folder. And then we're gonna nvim Dunst rc, right? And then so from here, we got some things we gotta do. So width, right? It has a set width, but we don't want a set width, right? We want something a little more cooler, a little dynamic, if you will. Okay, so I'm gonna do like, I think if I remember correctly, I do 50 and then space, right? And then ooh, go back to the top, dude. What are you doing? No. Right here. You wonder why I don't use NeoVim on camera much. It's because I'm terrible with it. I'm no good. Okay, so that we're gonna do bottom right here. Bottom right. Let's see, we go down here. Iris height, blah 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 blah. Corner radius 0. Yep, that's how I like it. Horizontal padding, frame color. I'm gonna turn that black. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Gap size, don't care about. Separator color. Frame, it's referencing frame. Oh, here we go. Here's one we're looking for right here. Alright, so source underscore code underscore pro. Oop. Pro. And then we're gonna do like 18 on this, right? Here, let's check it out. I'll show you how I kind of do this. So obviously Dunst is running in the background, so you gotta kill all Dunst, right? And then we'll just hit the keystroke, see what it looks like. Oh, hey, look at that. It's actually in the right spot. It's actually in the right spot. Look, we just got to get that background color the right color. Um, um, text source code pro. Where's the background? Am I stupid? Separated color, frame, sort, yes. Size, defines the color of the frame width, padding, separator, transparency. Huh. Wonder if I just go background. Oop, oop. Um, yeah, I don't know, dude. Um, wow, this makes me feel stupid because I should like know this and remember where it is, and I'm like, my brain is like just so spent right now. D menu path. I don't know. What is this? Where's this other one? Maybe we'll just try some experimental stuff here. Okay, where is it? Frame color. Why do I feel so stupid about this? Why? Why? Scale, progress bar. This is gonna look really bad if I can't just change the background color of this. I've probably scrolled past it a million times and people are like, bro, what are you doing? Define the color of the separator. Foreground. Why wouldn't it just be at the top? I don't understand it. Icons. Legacy, mouse, experimental, low. Okay, here we go. I found the place where it needs to be. Okay, so right here we got to do a little thing. Background. Oop. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Maybe I should have just went all the way to the bottom like a smart person would have. All right, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We're just gonna change all these over to the colors I want. Oh wait, I need a pound sign. All right, black, white, and here. 2, 4, 5, 6. Foreground, frame color. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yo, and that's it. I'm pretty sure that's all done, right? This is all commented out. Crap. Okay, let's see. Right click, kill all dunst, and then we're gonna try it. Hey, look at that. All right, so I'm gonna call it. I'm gonna call this bad boy Rice. I got my app launcher. You know, I need to. Oh, actually, I need one more thing. Okay, two more things technically. Yay minus s flat dash remix dash gtk dash theme. We need this, and then we need what is it? New mix dash white dash icon theme, right? Oop. Wait, what? Hold on. I know I'm not stupid. I use this, so let's see. Maybe I just typed it wrong. Why not? Here we go. Okay. Flat remix GTK number 2. We'll take that. Thank you. And then Paru white. Ah, dude, I forgot. I don't have Paru. I'm using yay white icons. Oop, I spelled that wrong. Wait, I gotta do this. Right, like this. Enter, enter. Right, we're gonna go like back to here. 2. All right, and this will actually officially right? Because I got the pole kit set up, I got variety set up, I got Rofi set up, dunce set up. Yeah. So basically, I got just about everything set up. I'm gonna have a victory smoke for this one. Hey, let's go. Little victory smoke, a little victory chug of the seltzer. You know, hour-long video, but hey, this is the sesh, bspwm racing sesh. You know what I'm saying? Okay, so we're gonna jump over to here. We're gonna put in the password. Hmm. There you go. That one's done. Now we just gotta wait for this one to be done. But yeah, so the way that you change your GTK stuff, it's gonna be using actually hold on. LX right there, LX appearance. Look at that, I already got it in. I like this darkest white, bro. Where is it? It's at the bottom. Darkest white. Right here. Oh yes, that looks good. And then the icon theme, we'll change the icon theme in a second. It's just got the basic, like old school one. Let's see. Yeah, it's too bad that Endeavor OS got rid of their you know, whatchamacallit, their community bspwm ISO. That's too bad. I love that thing. I learned a lot from that. Oh man, this is taking forever. All right, let's pause until this thing comes back. All right, so it's finally finished. Now I can do the last step. We go back into LX appearance, and then right here we go to icon theme. Yeah, and I like this one. Apply. Thank you. All right, so now if I open up Thunar, yep, you can see it. I got my icons and everything. So yeah, that's going to be my racing video. We got a nice little setup right here in bspwm. Do I have NeoFetch? Oh, I don't. Let's see. A minus S. Actually, we're going to go with fast fetch, dude. Why not? It's maintained. All right. A little fast fetcherino. And there we go. Riced out. Welcome to the rice fields, brothers. All right, that's going to be it. That's going to be it for the video, dudes. We did it. I made it. I got it all set up, and I didn't completely look like an idiot. So hey, let's go. If you liked the video, if you made it this long, please consider liking, sharing, commenting, subscribing, posting me places, doing all the things. I really appreciate you guys watching this and sticking around with me. I'm gonna have a fun time with the rest of my night. Get ready to get dunked on tomorrow, right? You know what I'm saying? All right, boys. Have a good night.